today, we are looking at measurement. What do I call it? Measurement. What do you mean by measurement? Now, measurement is a process of determining the size, quantity, or amount of something using standard unit. Now, what do you mean by that? When we talk about the measurement, is to give us the word accurate the size and what the quantity or amount of a substance, whether it is big or not, or whether it is what far, what the expansion of that thing. Now, what are the instruments that we can use to measure? I told you in episode 1 about when I explained the physics that I told you that the physics study the effect of matter. Now, in that effect, what are the instruments that we can able to get that effect? That's where the measurement is. You must ask what are the things that you need to use to measure the effect of matter. Now, we have several things, instruments that we can use to measure this what? In the effect of matter. Now, number 1, we are looking just only 3 because this one is very important in JAMB. Number 1, length. What can you use to measure length? Instrument that we can use to measure length. Number 1, we have ruler. Now, ruler, measuring tape. We have ruler to measure when you put your book. To measure, you can use ruler to measure something that is what? Long, small. Now, measuring tape. You can use measuring tape to measure the length of the wood, or to measure anything long distance. Vernier caliper. We have vernier caliper, and we have micrometer screw gauge. We have caliper. Number 1, we have caliper. We have caliper, and we have vernier caliper again, and we have micrometer screw gauge. Now we have another one, odometer. These are the instruments they can use to measure length. These instruments, now there are some area that JAMB normally set their question. In this place, JAMB normally set their question on this area, vernier caliper and micrometer screw gauge. In episode 2-3, I will explain details about that. Just understand that the instrument that they can use to measure length are these things. Make sure you write you jot it down that you can be able to understand. That's the key. Now, mass. What are the instruments that we can use to measure mass? Number 1, we have beam balance. We have electronic balance. We have spring balance. We have strip balance, and we have what? We have beam balance. All these instruments, they are used to measure what? They are used to measure mass. And mass can represent in kg. That's the unit. And the unit of length can represent in what? In meter. Notice that. Anytime that we are using all this, they normally use meter or kilogram. Now, the last one is what? Instrument they can use to measure time. Because to know the effect of physics, you need to involve this. Number what? Time. Number 1, what are the things that we can use to measure time? There's what? Stopwatch, pendulum clock, and quantum clock, and atomic what? Clock. And we have several like that they can use to measure clock. And all these instruments are very important. And what is the unit of time? Is what? We call it S. Seconds. What I call it? Seconds. It is very important. And this you need to know in what? In measurement. And let's go to the next episode 3, which will be talking about very important micrometer screw gauge and vernier caliper, and how can we measure it one after the other. Now, thank you.